Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to delete group in WhatsApp. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the WhatsApp app on our phone. And now here you need to choose the group that you want to delete. So let's say for example, the group chat one. Now from here, I just would like you to take note that you cannot delete a group chat if you are not the admin of it. So you need to become the admin before you can delete it. And once you are an admin already, do you see the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen? Yes? Click on that. Now, click on the group info. From here, you just need to scroll down and you will see the list of members you have in the group chat. The first thing that you need to do is to remove them one by one. So we're going to remove all the members one by one. And now that all the members are removed, you need to exit the group. So click on exit group, click exit. Once you exited the group, the delete group option will appear. You just need to click on that and delete group. And that's it. That's how you delete group in WhatsApp. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.